Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Thank you. So we're at a Lot Mayor's show, right? And it's an opportunity for us to just depict what Lagos is all about. Lagos, to set it straight, is the largest city in Africa, right? It's the biggest economy that's a sub-national in Africa. And all we're trying to do is to be able to let the world know that Lagos is indeed ready for bigger business. It's a big mega city on its own right now, but we want to make it, one of the international financial centers in the world, right? And it's only at an event like this, competing with other bigger cities and other nations, that you can tell your story. So it's storytelling time for us, but really I'm needed from the front for everyone in the world, really to use the Lot Mayor's show, who we're drawing in partnership to be able to say that Lagos is indeed ready, to take over the world, in the financial space, in the economic space, and to truly be able to tell both the Lagos, the Nigerian, and the African story. So that's why we're here, and we're truly excited to be part of this show.
What does it mean for Nigeria to be here?
Well, it means a lot. We'll be the very first state. This is the first time Nigeria is showing, at the Lot Mayor's show. There have been a few other countries that have turned around, right? And so there's no better time, and we're in it. We're going to make the best out of it, right? And be able to, let other parts of the world know who we are, understand our culture, understand that we're the center of, culture, entertainment, music in the whole of Africa, and to also be able for people to know, what we have, to give to the world.